friends, I'm back with some of the new workouts for you all. I have decided that though we have done with the neck exercise, shoulder exercise, so now to what exercise do I put you? So one idea I got that in this lockdown duration, many of the people are facing the weight gaining problem and a lower body fat increased and all. So let's start with the legs workout. So bring your mat, be ready, and let's start with many of the leg exercise. So let's start. Open your leg. Keep 1 feet of distance in between both the legs. Join your hands, interlock your fingers, and you have to start. Make sure you don't bend your upper body down. You have to bend your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now coming to how many counts you have to do is, if you have just started, you have to increase the counts gradually. You can start with the 5 counts or a 10 counts, or you can go with the time frame of 10 seconds, 20 seconds. If you are already practitioner, you can do according to your comfort level. It may happen that you may feel pain on your thighs, on your buttocks. So you have to be careful. Don't push your body into some of the practice. Gradually increase the practice. Now second exercise, you have to stand in the middle of the mat. Join your hands, interlock your fingers, your legs together, and you have to open your right leg to the right side and bend your right leg. Again, left leg to the left side. Bend your knees. Again to the right side, bend your knee. Again to the left side, bend your knee. You can do this exercise by wearing the shoes as well. Again, counts if you are a beginner. You have to increase the counts gradually. If you are already a practitioner, you can do according to your comfort level. Now, a third exercise for the leg fat is, you have to come on your hands on your shoulder. It should not be like this. It should not be like this. It should be straight on your shoulder. And you have to lift your leg up in a side way. 1, 2, 3, next straight, 4, 5. Same on other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now side kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same on other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now straight your knees. Come in Parvatasana, and you have to touch your right knee to the right elbow. 1, left knee to the left elbow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do like right knee to the left elbow. 1, left knee to the right elbow. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This will strengthen your hands and give exercise to your stomach muscles. Seating exercise, those people who have any type of wrist injury or wrist surgery or any kind of wrist related problems, they can take a small chair or a table like this. They can place the forearms on the chair or a table, and they can perform the exercise, this exercise like this. Even though those who have any kind of elbow related problems, they can give a weight on this part of the hands and can perform. You can place your hands like this or like this, however you are comfortable enough. So this sitting exercise is something, even if you are a beginner, you can increase the count according to your comfort level from 10, 15, 20, or you can set a time frame of 30 seconds, 45 seconds or 60 seconds. Lie down on your back, hands by the side of your body, and we have to do cycling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can increase the count again, but if you are going with the 15 counts, then you have to make sure that 15 forward cycling and 15 reverse cycling. Now take your legs as much near to your body as much you can. Interlock your fingers, place it under the head, and you have to move your lower body from side to side. 1. Make sure both the side your thigh should touch to the ground. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only your lower body movement should be there. 9, 10. Again you can increase the count. Yes, now these are some of the basic exercise which will definitely help you, and you will feel the change in your body if you will do a regular practice. Again, these are the workout exercise. So before putting your body to some of the intense stretches and any of the yoga poses, your body should be loosen enough and your body should be flexible enough to put into any kind of poses. You should not feel any type of pain or expression changes while you are performing anything. If you will start with my first video, I'll put you to the neck exercise so that your neck joints will be loosened. Second one was shoulder exercise so that your shoulder and hands joints will be loosened. Now I put you to the leg exercise so that all the lower body parts will get released. Now stay tuned to my upcoming video, which is again a surprise. So like my video, share my video, subscribe my channel, and stay tuned with me on YouTube, my Facebook page, and my Insta account with the same name, Keshvi Yoga Studio. I hope I have shared you enough and a proper information, and you are fine with all the information. Thank you all.